Honeypot scripts are used to create deceptive environments that emulate vulnerable systems. These environments attract attackers, allowing researchers or security teams to observe their actions, understand their techniques, and develop defenses against them. Honeypots can be an invaluable asset in understanding current threats and building more resilient security systems. Here is an example of a honeypot script written in Python, which simulates a simple SSH server. The script logs all attempted connections, usernames, and passwords, providing insights into attacker behaviors. Function handle_client handles the individual client connections, sending an SSH banner, and then prompting for username and password, which are logged. Function main sets up the socket, binds it to port 2222, and listens for incoming connections. When a connection is accepted, it starts a new thread to handle that client. Multi-threading. By using threads, the script can handle multiple clients simultaneously, which is essential for a honeypot that might attract numerous simultaneous connections. This script is relatively simple and is meant for educational purposes. In practice, building a honeypot might involve creating more complex emulations of various services, logging more detailed information about attacker behavior, and implementing safeguards to prevent the honeypot itself from becoming a security risk. Please remember that deploying a honeypot involves legal and ethical considerations, and it's essential to consult with legal and security professionals to ensure compliance with all relevant laws and regulations.